Hi, so just a bit of a weird problem came up with one of my students, and we have a project here. And typically, this won't be a project that you open and start from fresh. But if you open up a project like this and you have no levels or no plans in here, you don't see a plan kind of tab. A couple things we can actually do from this. First, we can actually go to here to plan views, click floor plans, and under floor plans, it's actually going to ask us to create a level. And so in order to have a plan view, we need to have a level in place. So if I click OK here, it's going to place a level at 0, 0. And once it creates that level, it's going to automatically add the plan view tab. And we'll create a level at level 0. And so that line will be there. And if you watch in a second, on the side, we'll have our floor plan area. So that's kind of version 1. The second version is maybe we have a level here. So if we go back to our elevation, we have a level here, our level 1, our level 0. And I'm just going to copy this up. And for this level, you can see we still don't have any plan views. It's actually that same process. We can go up here to views, plan views, and this time it's not going to ask us to place a view. It's going to ask us to, if we want to place or create a floor plan from that view, and we can just click 0 and 1, and it'll create a plan view for both of those, not just the first one that we created. So that's how to create floor plans from a view that I guess doesn't have any floor plans. And maybe just the third tip I would give you, if you go up to File, New, we can go to here and we can browse to our template files, and we can pick default metric. And if I go up here, if I go to English Imperial, we can pick default, which is the default Imperial template. So another kind of nice way to reset if you kind of lost some of that stuff, just starting from scratch with the default template. But ultimately, those other two methods are a good way to get those levels or the plan views back if they're missing.